Hello. We are back at it. It's snowing. I loaded it up and it was like, you know, just before noon. I'm like, oh man, I gotta get on quickly and make sure the snow is real. And then I've captured it on stream, so I can't think I'm crazy. Because, I don't know, I couldn't find those gyroids I thought I should have the other day. Still weirding me out, so whatever. Alright. Yeah, this is just gonna be quick. I'm not as tired in the past few days. But you know, I'm still just doing what I can. A little worried. It's freaking out because there's a big fish and it's raining, and I'm like afraid I'm gonna get a coelacanth and not react in time. But hopefully that's not the case. Okay, Zucker's cooking again. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, that's simple. Easy. I like it. Why am I going inside? I already got the recipe. Oh my gosh. Sure. Not bad, not bad. spot. Oh, there goes the fishing rod. That's fun. I have not got... Did I get this already? I'm so confused. I have no clue anymore. No clue at all. Oh, we got a gyroid fragment though. That's why I don't use wands. Alright, I doubt we're gonna get anything, but let's see. You never know. No, it's the pants. The pants I need, isn't it? Let me just double check. I'm like 99% sure it's the pants. It's the pants, it's not the skirt. Close. Very close, but not quite what we want. Not quite what we need. Unfortunate, I say. Anything? Ooh, clay. Okay, what am I doing? I didn't get an... I crafted everything, right? I did. Cool. Alright, let's put some stuff away. Those. Good stuff. That's that. Laseroid, let's go! Come on! I was literally gonna say Bumbleoid, and I was like, no! Like I willed it into existence by accident or something. So again, it's now here when I moved that other thing. Way to go. Alright, that's that. Cool. So there's not much else on the island at this point. So let's go see Captain. I guess the festival is still going today. So if I was incredibly lucky, I could get the last event tea. I feel like it's not gonna happen, but if it did, it would be pretty cool. Be pretty happy with that. Oh, good. My favorite. Snow. I have so much fun figuring out what kind of island this is. Get it? Oh, that was so slow. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whew. That was bad. It felt horrible. I don't know if there's anything up there to the right. I'm gonna just assume no and continue. Okay, well that makes it very simple. Okay, I'm too rattled now. I'm officially too rattled. There you go, 4179. Not that this really changes that option, but there you go, 84. And still haven't hit 39. So that's cool. I need to find the recipe still. Yeah, I'm rattled right now. This is gonna just be a random recipe. Decoy duck. Great. Alright, I'm going. I've caught enough. Another 6. Alright. Cool. So, I mean, I've caught like 10 fish today, right? Honestly, if I can do that, I can just hyper-focus on catching 10 or so each day, my life will be better. Like, no joke. So I guess that's just how I'm going to attempt to do it for now. And then if that works, and I'm good, then I just keep catching them, and eventually I attempt to catch a blue marlin. I would use the 80 or so bait that I have, and just hope that I can get it at the pier. Otherwise, I'll have to collect more bait, which I hope I would never have to do again, but hey, here we are. Oh, this one's fake, right? Yeah. Alright, well, I still think I'll get another real one. Chances are pretty high, actually, if you get a new... Sorry, if you get real art at the beginning of the week, get one real piece of art, then by the end of the week, you have, like, you know, a couple 40% chances, 50% chance. Yeah, it's pretty good. let's go get the rest. I will wrap up pretty soon here. Like I said, I get a little rattled with my fishing streak, but I've been doing well on it, I think, the past 3 days. So if I can just keep it going, then we'll be fine. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, man. Who knows? But yeah, I'm gonna just take it easy. It's kind of nice not like streaming for super long all the time, because it's been a lot longer lately. And I know like I still need lots of... I just got this, come on. But yeah, I know it's been like a lot of time. And that I still have like, you know, 800, just over 800 more fish to go. And that's still gonna take a bit, but like I said, if I catch like 8 per day, then I'm gonna be done by the time I'm done with KK. But if I can get Castmaster soon, then I will probably get... Honestly, like if I can just get Castmaster, I will be like so relieved, and then I'll probably try to focus on the Blue Marlin thing. And then that'll be that. Then I'll be done with all that stuff, and I just have to wait for a salmon. Okay, so we've got the pink one as always, and that is the standard red one, right? Oh, the Dormant Volcano's finally in stock. That's fun. Yeah. Well, we'll get it one day. But yeah, that's about it for today, hey? Well, I guess I'll leave it there then. So I caught an amount of fish. I want to say at least 10, but I actually don't know how many. And that is great. Cool. Yep. Honestly, not much to say. We got a lot yesterday, right? I got a new Zodiac figurine. I got a new recipe. We got a new shirt for the festival. So that's all a lot of really good RNG. Nothing, no real art today, no bad fortune, no new shirt, no new recipes. Just caught some fish, didn't break the streak, and we'll keep it going. I'll be on tomorrow evening, I would expect. Do a little bit more of the same, and yeah, then I'll be on Saturday morning and super late on Sunday. So that'll be fun. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. So a short 25-minute stream, and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.